Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, after Canada announced the new pathway of granting permanent residence to more than 90,000 eligible temporary residents or temporary workers and international graduates, a lot of people raised concerns about booking tests because you need to prove the language availability, language I mean skills, I mean to say. So many people said that there are no dates available for exams like IELTS, CL, PIP. So one of my subscriber, after tremendous efforts, managed to book it somewhere near it because many people said that there are no dates by October, August, and all. But he managed to get something closer, and he's still trying to even make it closer. So this is what I'm gonna share with you guys so that you can find out that it can be done. So this comment he wrote yesterday, and I'm sharing it with you guys. I started yesterday at 8 p.m. looking for available slots in CA, LPIP, and IELTS test till 4 a.m. but no luck. The dates from April to July and even August are fully booked here in Ontario. I slept only 4 hours, wasn't able to sleep properly because of stress, anxiety, and excitement. Then I resumed at 9 a.m. today, trying any possible slots. What I got first are the availability from other provinces like Quebec and Alberta. But then I back off because of the inter-province travel pandemic restrictions, which will complicate the situation. I never gave up. I still kept on finding any possible chances here in Ontario. There are some June and early July slots. Then I grabbed those really quick. Then at the middle of the process, it says, sorry, this sitting has no availability. Try another sitting or location, which means someone else is quicker than me. Like, I won't say that. So it happens like when students drop out, cancel or postpone their exams, sometimes rescheduling, seats become available and they come to the site. So you need to check regularly. Then I took a break, my brunch at 11 a.m. for just 15 minutes, then back to the computer. Still no luck, and my butt is. Oh my god. At 3 p.m., when I hit the and grabbed my first booking, IELTS July 15. Yes, thank God. Good thing IELTS will not let you pay immediately. They gave me 4 days grace period for the payment, which means there's a chance to keep on looking for more or other possible earlier dates, and that's what I did. Then I got another one July 3. Yes, I was reserved again by British Council IELTS. Then I reviewed my booking details. It's in Montreal location. I kept on grinding again to looking for earlier dates at past 5 p.m. and dang, there are almost 15 slots available for June. Toronto, Vaughan, Brampton, Celadon, Guelph, etc. I screamed when I was sweating and shaking. Yes, this is it. I tried the first two earlier slots, which are June 10 and 11. I wasn't able to catch up. There are bookers who were faster and ahead of me by milliseconds. I clicked on back button on the page and the other slots are still there. I grabbed June 14 slots and dang, you are mine. The process went through smoothly and catcher I got reserved again. And this is my earliest IELTS booking. I'll try again tomorrow if I could find any earlier date on both tests. It took me 14 hours to finally got the chance of my first booking and 16 hours to get my earliest and final booking. Well, for now, thank God. So I'm sharing this with you guys as this may help you all as well. Thanks for watching.